Give me earplugs in, Chuck. It's loud. Science. Getting absolutely cooked. I'm covered in shit. You know what? It's coming out alright. It's a bit hard to get into the corners, but it's all the rust there is at the minute. Just got to figure out a way to get into these corners. Did a little test run here. Just absolutely spot on, this car is. Here's some new brake line. Braided lines from the portioning valve back. That might not be too bad. Send it in through there. Gotta drop the fuel tank. Oh, I need to disconnect it all from the top side. Should have done that first. Oh well. You know, I'm making quick work of this. I'll get the little hand drill out for these corners. Got this rail. Gonna follow it all the way around and then work my way back. Get the arches done. As much of the boot done. Center tunnel. Probably get half of that done today and then probably call it. Unless I have time, I might just full send it. Covered in gunk. Coming along nicely though. Out here look like a Dubai Kunafa chocolate bar. It's insane. Progress. Absolutely covered in muck. Just an update where we got to. This rear bit's done. All the rust is now on display. Into this wheel arch. I've done all the chassis rail. Done all of this sill. All of this bit here. Chassis rail looks good. Nothing that's too concerning really. Oh, did this bit as well. Taking about 3 hours. Slowly but surely we'll get there. Might take a couple of weeks, but we'll get it. Should have taken out the coilovers. That was a stupid thing on my behalf. Just got to get all of this crud out now. Shouldn't be too bad. Might bring the car down a little. Look at this state of me. Calling it a day here. So the back is done. Some rust, more rust, more rust. Wheel arch is done. It's all cruddy from underneath, man. That needs cutting out. Oh, the sill's done. Door pan's done. It's all kosher. So still have the tunnel to do, either side of the tunnel. All that side. And the back side of this. The boot. Might have to drop the fuel tank. Should have taken out the coilovers, but they're just a pain in the arse now that the car's up in the air. It's coming together nicely. Rust. It's not as bad as I thought this was, you know. I was expecting rust to come all the way along here. It's just here, not bad. This is my 2005 Honda S2000 project car. Died off life as a crash damaged car bought from auction. So it had nice front end damage. But you guys are joining me halfway through this build. Currently getting stripped, full restoration. It's on a rotisserie, it's going to get rolled over again. And I need to sort out the underside. So you're probably wondering how it ended up on a rotisserie. So around March of this year, the engine developed a knock. And one thing led to another. And now we're doing a full restoration and a K24 turbo build. So the engine got sold. And I was gonna just stick a K24 NA in there, but I had a turbo manifold for the F20 that could be easily modified to fit the K24. One thing led to another. Now the car is just a shell. Fucking insane. So the plan is it's going to be built for at least 1,000 horsepower, maybe even 12, 13, 1400 horsepower. Got a short block coming from America thanks to Big Man Ting Performance. I want a sequential box for it, and I want a Ford 8.8 rear end and overbuild it for a street / drag car. Today need to roll it over and strip the underside. Let's get it. How easy is it to roll over the S2000 on the rotisserie on your own? So by myself, I lift it from here and up we go. So it spins easy, holds its weight pretty nice. You know, I'm just gonna release the bolt. It's an extra safety precaution in case it goes flying. Easy beans. Let's do another tooth. Release the bolt for safety. Send it up and over. Don't quite have the leverage on this side, so I'm just gonna go around. Science. So making some steady progress. So now I'm just in the process of removing the fuel lines and the brake lines. Let's remove the center brace too. All the lines out and just then we get to the nitty-gritty stuff. Go remove all the underseal, even though it looks good, but you never know why it's hiding. Just need to clear all of this up. Everything's gonna get done this weekend, I'm telling you. Well, hey, doesn't look too bad, you know. It's a bit clean up the trunk, take the boot back down. I don't know what I'm going to do with the fuel tank. Don't know as of yet. Probably just drop it, just disconnect everything from inside. Job's a good one. I'm gonna have to get a fuel cell anyway, so thinking fuel cell in the boot. Oh, that'd be nice. What else? So I'm thinking this bit's all gonna be white, all white over here. Same color as the body, pearl white, beautiful. So again, all of this. But I'm gonna start the underseal from here around the chassis rails. All of this send white. All of this I'm just gonna underseal. Just gravitex it all. Why not? YOLO. Other than that, it's looking pretty nice. transmission tunnel undersealed. Why not? Why the hell not? Update time. So finally got all of them brake lines and fuel line food return out. Haven't touched the tank yet, but I'm gonna start on tidying all of this up. It's taking all of that horrible underseal off. I think what I'm going to do with the next one, might follow this line here and just do the underseal from there. All of this will be painted. Everything's going to be painted here. I want that top section painted, all of that wrapped around painted. Should be Gucci. Let's get it clean. So I'm gonna have to call it there. Managed to get a little bit done. So I went overboard on the rust inhibitor. Bilt hamber hydrate 80, but it doesn't matter. It's just got all of this done now. Got to shoot off to a birthday party. It's looking good. It's coming together nicely now. It's got the entire centre section left, all of that side. A little progress report on the car. As you can see, the Bilt hamber hydrate 80 has worked nicely on any bits of exposed metal. Maybe I should have taken down the pitting a bit more, but hey ho, it's looking clean. So the plan today, get all of this done, maybe all that side. Try and get these two bits here done, and where the rear coilover sits, we'll get this all done and dusted. Again, only got a couple of hours, so time's against us once again. It's gonna be Gucci. Progress update, absolutely covered in rubbish. So managed to get this side of the transmission tunnel done, and the back here, gonna have to call it there and quickly give her a nice rust inhibitor coat. You can see some bare metal, a bit of rusty, might have to take that bit back. Bit of pitting over here, but it's to be expected. Overall it's not too bad, to be honest. It's coming together nicely. Got the Bilt hamber hydrate 80, it's gonna slap that on everywhere. And whatever it does, it does. So the underseal has been taken off the passenger side of the transmission tunnel, and the Bilt hamber hydrate 80 has been applied. And it's coming out nicely. Where the bare metal is, the hydrate 80 has reacted nicely. Then epoxy primer should be golden. Still got the boot to do, and the passenger side and the driver side tunnel. Slowly but surely we'll get there. And we're back with the beast. Hopefully you can get some more underseal tidied up, maybe an entire half. Let's see. Got a few hours today, the weather's held up. It was raining earlier, but should be nice and sunny. So the aim of today will be to get the boot all done. Let's see if we can get the driver side transmission tunnel done, all of this chassis rail done, and hopefully we can start work on the other side. Maybe even get that bottom bit, why not? That is another few hours done. So we managed to get the entire boot done and the passenger side tunnel done, but not up here. Just gonna do that when I rotate it the other side. I think that is all I can do with the car angled on this side. Not much longer left now before we can start undersealing. Found some new holes. Wait in the way. So obviously a rust patch has been done here. Not very good patch by the looks of it. Oh well. Need to remove the fuel tank, getting the fuel cell, sticking that down here, baby. It's gonna be great. Then I can do the surrounding of that. I think that should be the next job, really. Oh, maybe the passenger side. The passenger side done. And we're cooking. Oh, I need to do this. I'll just get a wire wheel and a drill and do that. Shouldn't be too difficult. But as you can see, the rust treatment is working nicely. It's reacting with the exposed metal. See, it's going kind of blue. Same everywhere here. But yeah, till next time. And we're back continuing work on the Project S2000. Finally got some good weather, so we can continue stripping the underseal of the car. Let's see where we got to. So the majority of the driver side's all done. That needs a little coat of Bilt hamber. The transmission tunnel's all done. Again, just covered in dust, underseal dust everywhere. So I just got the driver's side engine bay to do. And along this side of the chassis rail, got the transmission tunnel of the driver's side to do. I'm gonna remove the fuel tank, still got the wheel arch and all of the passenger footwells. And we got lots of niggly bits to do as well here to be cooking. So this is where we have got to. So I managed to get this wheel arch done on the chassis rail here. So obviously we couldn't get all of this, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Just gonna hydrate 80 all of it now. Call it a day. Took a bit longer than I wanted to, but we're cooking. Getting there slowly but surely. I'm absolutely covered in it. We are back stripping the underseal on the S2000. Don't have a lot left to do yet. Just got the passenger side to do, and the driver side engine bay, and this rail that goes all the way back, and the transmission tunnel on the driver's side. It's got little bits and bobs to clear up here and there, stuff that I missed, but it's gonna be okay. If we've got time, drop the fuel tank and try and get into these bits here. We're cooking! Dirty progress, baby! So didn't manage to get the front left wheel arch done. As you can see, I'm just running out of daylight. But I got everything else pretty much sorted. Passenger side is pretty much done. Cleaned some degreaser marks there. Found some new holes. We're absolutely covered in it. Time for some rust treatment. Let's get the party started. Today, the fuel tank is finally coming out. And I'm going to finish off just cleaning up the underseal. I can't wait, man. Can't wait to get it done so the work can begin on the Coupe. Sparkle, come here. Come on. Hello. Off he goes. Majestic. Once we've got this finally cleaned up and the fuel tank out, depending on the time, I've only got about 3 hours until it gets dark. Try get some, I'm gonna re-rust treat the entire underside and then get some epoxy on it, epoxy primer. Look at it, it's filthy. It's covered in dust, Underseal dust. I need coating again. Damn, son. Let's get it. There's the fuel tank out. It's looking pretty nice under here. It's not too bad. Let's get all of the surrounding all done. Get it all down to metal. Send some rust protection on it. Hopefully get some epoxy on it as well. Don't want to mess with the seam sealer too much around here, because it's a bit rotten. Nothing too bad really. It's surface rust. Let's get to work on the passenger arch, and that is the underside completely stripped. All of the old underseal is finally fully gone. So as you can see, it's all completely stripped down. All you can see is a bilt hamber rust protection on there. I'm going to give it another coat before I do the epoxy primer, but it's coming together nicely. This is a massive milestone. Been doing it for months, honestly. This underseal has been a pain in my backside, let me tell you. But now it's finally done. Woohoo! Honestly, it's taken me ages to do this. Just the time, the weather, it's life really. But look at it, it's ready to be completed. And we are gonna smash this out of the park. In the next video, you're gonna see the epoxy primer go on, and hopefully the underseal and the wax oil, and it should be all great. Lovely. Just gonna let the water all drain out of the shell before I degrease it, and then put it back under a cover until the weather's good again. Look at it, it's marvelous. See, stuff like that needs degreasing, all of that. The jet wash can only do so much. It's nice. I'm happy. And that is the underside finally completed. Put a fresh coat of rust inhibitor on just in case, because it's going to be sat outside for a couple of days, and then the epoxy primer is going to go on, nearing completion. And then soon, once it's all been welded, underseal's on, I'm going to put it on the ground, stick in the corner, begin work on case swapping the EG Coupe. Some hydrate 80 all over it. Literally just sent it all over it, because why not? Even the bits that didn't need it, just sent it. Been a long time coming, man. Couldn't get these out, so I just freaking left them. Tried my best, but hey ho, just underseal over it. It's got a couple of drains in there, one there and one on the other side as well. But look at it, what a journey. We shall see you soon.